Welcome students in my fifth lecture of differentiation. Today I am going to teach you the examples of the composite functions. Okay, taking examples. First example, suppose y is equal to given as 2, that is under root of sine of x cube. Under root of sine of x cube. We have earlier seen how to differentiate the composite function. In the same way, we are taking now in this lecture some different examples. Then differentiate y with respect to x. We get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of under root of sine of x cube. Taking the derivative of first, that is under root sine, 1 upon 2 root of sine of x cube, and multiplying with the derivative of the inside function, that is d by dx of sine of x cube, that is equal to 1 upon 2 root of sine of x cube into derivative of sine is cos of x cube, and again multiplying by the derivative of x cube, that is becomes dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root of sine of x cube into derivative of sine is cos of x cube into the derivative of x cube, that is 3x square. This becomes dy by dx is equal to 3x square into cos of x cube divided by 2 into under root of sine of x cube. This is the derivative of this composite function by using derivative of function of another function. Take this example. Another example, that is log of cos of x raised to 5. Taking the second example. Differentiate y with respect to x, we get dy by dx. First take the derivative of log, that is d by dx of log of cos of x raised to 5. That gets derivative of log is 1 upon cos of x raised to 5 into the derivative of the inside function, that is cos of x raised to 5. We get 1 upon cos of x raised to 5 into derivative of cos is minus sign in x raised to 5, minus sign x raised to 5 into function of another function becomes again derivative of x raised to 5. Derivative of log is 1 upon function and into derivative of cos is minus sign into the derivative of x raised to 5. We get the answer is dy by dx is equal to 1 upon cos of x raised to 5 into minus sine of x raised to 5 into the derivative of x raised to 5 is 5 into x raised to 4. By using the formula for the power function, the answer is minus 5 into x raised to 4 into sine of x raised to 5 divided by cos of x raised to 5. Students, go through more and more example and practice it. Otherwise, you does not remember the formulae for the differentiation. Okay, getting the third example. Y is equal to cot square of x cube. Differentiating this as dy by dx, differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to cot square of x cube. It can be written as d by dx of cot of x cube bracket square. Using the index formula, that is equal to 2 into derivative of x raised to n. Using this formula, 2 into cot of x cube raised to 2 minus 1 becomes 1 only. Then again take the derivative of the inner function, means cot of x cube. Derivative of cot of x cube is equal to 2 into cot of x cube as it is. Derivative of cot means minus cosec square of x, means x cube, and take the derivative of d by dx of x cube. It becomes minus sign here, that is minus 2 into derivative of this x cube is 3 into x square cot of x cube into cosec square of x cube. Simplifying this, we get minus 6 x square cot of x cube cosec square of x cube. The answer is dy by dx is equal to minus 6 into x square into cot of x cube into cosec square of x cube. This is the answer. Next example. That is root of tan of root of x. Differentiating this root of tan of root of x, we get dy by dx is equal to derivative of root of tan of root of x, that is equal to 1 upon 2 root of tan of root of x, and multiply with the derivative of tan of root of x. We get it is equal to 1 by 2 root of tan of root of x into derivative of tan is sec square of root of x, and again multiply by the inner function, derivative of the inner function, that is derivative of root of x. That becomes dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root of tan of root of x, 1 upon 2 root of tan of root of x into sec square of root of x into derivative of root of x is 1 upon 2 root of x. Okay, that is equal to dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to sec square of root of x divided by 2 into 2, this is 4 root of x into root of tan of root of x. Go through these examples and practice it, students. practice and practice and practice. Okay, thank you.